Look at the squad and look who's in front. Lionel Messi, 5'7", quiet, calm, walking out of that tunnel like the whole world belongs to him. Every single time Argentina steps out, they choose to follow him. Look at Nicolas Otamendi's chest. He has a tattoo of Messi's face. A grown man, a veteran defender with over 100 caps, chose to permanently put his teammate's face on his own body. When Argentina wins, everyone is in tears, holding on to Messi. Love isn't even the right word, they worship him. Rodrigo de Paul would run into a burning building for him. Emi Martinez cares about Messi more than himself. None of this happened by accident. There are real, powerful reasons behind this devotion. Part 1. The Selfless Captain. Love has to be earned, and Messi earned it in ways that never show up in stat sheets. Take penalties for example. For decades, the main forwards have always hoarded them. But Messi made a different choice. At Barcelona, he literally gave away nearly 30 penalties to his teammates. Neymar received 11, Luis Suarez got 8. He brought the same mentality to Argentina. When Lautaro Martinez was going through a painful goal drought, Messi handed him the penalty, a chance to get his confidence back. When your captain doesn't grab every single moment for himself, but instead gives that moment to you, how do you not give everything back for him? The same goes for assists. When the greatest player on the pitch picks you over himself, it changes everything. And when someone assists Messi, he doesn't just celebrate, he points straight at that player, thanking them publicly. These small things are exactly what make him different. Part 2. Leadership beyond the pitch. Messi thinks about his people far beyond the game. In 2016, when the Argentine Football Association faced a financial crisis, the national team security workers hadn't been paid for months. The moment Messi found out, he quietly paid their overdue salaries out of his own pocket. No cameras, no announcements. In the 2023 Leagues Cup final, Inter Miami won their first trophy. Messi took off his captain's armband, placed it on DeAndre Yedlin and pushed him to lift the trophy because Yedlin had captained most of the tournament. In 2024, during Angel Di Maria's final game at the Copa America, Messi called both Di Maria and Otamendi forward to lift the trophy alongside him. This wasn't just about winning, it was about sharing the glory with the people who bled with him. When your captain pays staff salaries, hands you penalties, and shares historic moments, you don't just play with him, you play for him. Part 3. The Living Idol. The biggest reason runs even deeper. Messi is their childhood idol. Most young players grow up watching legends from the past. But for this generation of Argentine players, the man standing next to them in the dressing room is the exact same man they had pinned on their bedroom wall as kids. Let that sink in. Julian Alvarez was just 7 years old when Messi scored that legendary solo goal against Getafe in 2007. He watched it 100 times on a tiny TV trying to copy it in the streets. Enzo Fernandez was just a teenager when Messi walked away from the 2014 World Cup heartbroken. Years later, that same Enzo scored his first international World Cup goal from a Messi assist. These are childhood promises being kept. Lautaro Martinez and Rodrigo de Paul chose football because they dreamed of one day standing next to Messi. And now, those little kids are receiving passes from him in real life. As Alexis McAllister once shared, the team liked to call me Ginger, and I didn't like it. Then Messi told them to stop, and after that, nobody said a word anymore. That is Messi. Part 4. Conclusion. Messi didn't just build a world-class football team, he built a brotherhood. He protected them like a big brother, and in return, they became his ultimate shield. When you see De Paul fighting for every ball, or Emi Martinez saving penalties like his life depends on it, they are doing it so that the boy from Rosario can finally smile. To them, he is the man who made their childhood dreams come true. And that is why they worship Lionel Messi. If you like this type of content, like and subscribe.